begin.
Hi guys, this is our project name IoT-based solar panel parameter monitoring system using microcontroller. So in this project, we are using Arduino microcontroller. This is the brain of project. It's of 8-bit and we have LCD connected to it, 16x2, and DHT11 temperature humidity sensor, Wi-Fi module, voltage divider circuit, current sensor, motor, wheel, and this one is 12 volt to 5 volt voltage regulator. These are the batteries. Each battery is of 4 volt, and these are 3 batteries, 4 cross 3, 12 volt, and each battery is of 1500 milliampere hour rating. And then we have LDR. When light fall on these LDR, this LDR is connected to your resistance 10 kilo ohm, and between these two resistance, as LDR is also resistance, light dependent resistance, voltage will be divided, and that division of voltage is sensed by microcontroller ADC, analog to digital converter. Okay, now what it will do, like if light falls on this LDR, so voltage will change. So output voltage will be sensed by microcontroller, and accordingly it will give output to L293D motor driver, and this L293D motor driver will rotate this motor anti-clockwise. Okay, so if light fall on this, it will move like this direction. If light fall on this one, it will move like this. Okay, so this way this project will work. And now we will turn on the project, so it will show parameters. Like we should also turn on the current sensor weight. So guys, let's see output of this project. When light falls on this LDR, voltage will go down and it will be sensed through this microcontroller. So accordingly, microcontroller will control L293D motor driver's motor. The motor is connected to L293D because L293D need signals, input signal 0, 5, and it will give output 0 and 12. And if you want to decrease the speed of this solar panel, we can use 8 volt battery. I will prefer 8 volt battery sufficient to move this project. Okay. And other component, so all these readings will be shown on internet. So we have to create hotspot with the name, like I am giving example. You can change the name, project 123457 password, and then this ESP device will connect automatically. And after that we have to see server, like less than a minute please. Right now it is showing the parameters here: humidity, temperature, current, and voltage. Okay, so this is complete reading of this project. And this one is a block diagram, like solar panel, 12 volt battery, 7805 to give 5 volt, then LDR modules. When light falls on it, it will control motors through L293D motor driver, then 16x2 LCD, then Arduino microcontroller, then current sensor, motor, and which is connected with battery, then DHT11 digital temperature humidity sensor, voltmeter. That's it. And then Wi-Fi module, which will send parameter to website. Okay guys, and thank you so much for watching the video, and you can use this project in your final year project. And for more details, please check description. You can buy this project from our website. And some modification in this project also you can do, like I have added more videos related with this project, like without solar panel, then with dual axis solar tracker. Okay, and one more, like without internet also we can make. I'm making this for some students. And guys, this is the code for the project. So I will give basic explanation of the code, how we have uploaded the code and how we have written it. So for uploading, you have to go to the port. You have to select the port on which port your microcontroller is connected, and then you can upload this. After that, we have the commands like include software serial, library you can include, then current sensor, you have to include current sensor at A5. Whichever pin you want to use, you can use it. You have to just write it here. After that, sensitivity, then ADC value, then offset voltage, then current, then LCD connection pins like 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are the pins on which LCD are connected. Like this pin is for RS, RW enable, then RS enable, Then we have D4, D5, D6, D7. We are using 4-bit of LCD. After that, digital pin, that is DHT11 to pin number 2, D2, and volt divider circuit. We have taken one integer, then current IJ, then some long characters. Then we have to put API key here. We can take this API pin from your API key from your ThingSpeak.com website by creating your channel ID. And then we have RSTX connected to 0, this Wi-Fi module connected to 0 and 1 of your Arduino. After that, sensor IoT, this will be written when project is started. Then we have to create hotspot. After that, some input output. Then humidity given to variable I, J, then voltage divider circuit. Then voltage mapping is here. In voltage mapping, you have to map the voltage like you are making the voltmeter. Then these pins which will be sent to your website. Then we have sensors written here. Then these are the analog values, like if particular sensor LDR value go more than 900, this is a discrete value, so this solar panel will move in one direction. Same way, this if another LDR will have some value, it will move according to the direction where light is. Same way, all are connected, and these are the commands to send the parameters on website. Like this one is sending, this string is sending the set of characters on current, and which is the field 2. Field 2 means field 1, field 2, field 3. Okay, these are the fields. Same way, we have to repeat the things like field 2, field 3, field 4. We have to write like this one is field 1, field 3, field 2. Okay, like this. What that code is. Okay, thank you guys. Hello everyone, we are from Xilir Technologies, New Delhi, India. We develop research-based software and hardware projects and products globally. Xilir Technologies has the largest collection of projects. On our website, you can get services like unique engineering projects, science projects, MTech PhD thesis guidance, self-learning kits, ready-made projects, hardware components, drones-related services, softwares and simulations, research paper writing and publications in top journals and conferences. We also provide patent-related services. So to upgrade your knowledge, you can join our channel. For more details, please check the description. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.